Hello everyone, this is Hanbong Kim from GoodTask. On this video, I'll explain details about GoodTask on Apple Watch. Since GoodTask uses default Reminders app's data, there are limits on actions done on Apple Watch. Reminders data can be read directly on Apple Watch, but cannot be modified. To make changes, GoodTask needs to communicate with iPhone app. Due to this limit, changes made on Apple Watch may have some delay to be synced through other devices. GoodTask on Apple Watch has two pages. You can swipe left and right to move between them. On left page, you can check the status. Tapping plus button will let you add a new task. Count for tasks, completed tasks, calendar events are shown on the right. If some action is sent to the iPhone, sync icon and count will be shown on top right. At the bottom, current list is shown. You can change lists directly by tapping it. Favorites that's set on iPhone will be shown. You can select one of them or select all lists at the bottom to select list and view if needed. Right page shows tasks. You can tap circle to complete it directly. If you tap the task other than the circle, it'll go into details page. You can check details here and make actions. You can change due dates, add notes, add subtasks, and complete subtasks. Force touch on the screen will give you option to show or hide completed subtasks. If tasks are not getting refreshed, you can force touch on initial page to select refresh option. You can set various complications too. Inside iPhone app, you can set how Apple Watch works. Go into Settings, Apple Watch. You can choose presets for adding tasks, subtasks, and notes. These can be selected directly while adding on Apple Watch. Color adjustments will change list colors if it's too dark on Apple Watch. You can set detail options for complications. Orders can be selected between default and app. Default will show you upcoming items first. App option will show tasks on the order that's shown inside Apple Watch app, which follows the order from iPhone apps list. If you're using complications that show count number, you can choose it to count overdue tasks only, or all tasks, all items, or show date. Circular option lets you make circular complications to show count, or icon. Modular large option will let you choose from 1 item to 3 items. This option only works for legacy modular complication and not the infograph one. Infograph corner can be set to show count or icon or task. Task option will show you title of next task. Changing options on this page or going out of iPhone app will force refresh the Watch app if needed. This number here at the bottom is used to debug when needed. If you have complications set, this number shouldn't be 0. If something goes wrong, first quitting Apple Watch app may resolve most issues. You can long press button under the crown while you're inside the app, and then long press the crown to close the app completely. Open the app again and it'll start fresh. Hope you enjoyed the app, and I wish you good health. Get it done with GoodTask. Thanks.